Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm doing an acrylic pour split cup. This has got Arteza's Pearl Marmalade, Arteza's Aztec Gold, Liquitex Iridescent White, Amsterdam Blue Turquoise and Amsterdam Prussian Phthalo Blue. Some of these are my favourite colours, so I'm hoping this is going to look really cool. I haven't done a huge amount of split cups. This is a 5-chamber split cup. And we're just going to get started. So I've painted my edges with Prussian Phthalo Blue just to make sure I get my edges covered. I'm also on a spinner, which is a cake spinner, and I'm going to pour a puddle of Prussian Phthalo Blue first. I just want to make sure I get my whole canvas covered. This will also help to stop the paint rolling over itself. You might find that this puddle will actually disappear after I finish pouring. So let's get started. The spinner is also going to help me move the canvas as I pour so I can get some interesting effects. Let's go. So I'm just going to turn it. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. I bumped it, but okay, let's go with it. And just moving around, getting some interesting patterns. I'm going to come back through the middle here. Let's try that. Interesting patterns there as I get closer. I think I'm going to tilt this. Because we're a bit far over this way. So let's just tilt back this way. Cool. Got a lot of the Pearl Marmalade in there. I really like this gold bit too, so let me think. And I like this as well. Tricky. Going to put a little bit of this down around the corners. And that should be plenty of paint, I would imagine. I'm going to pop my bubbles. I do really like this bit here. might add a little bit more blue on this side. Alright, I'm going to give that a light spin and let's just have a look at it. I think that's about it. Maybe a little bit of a tilt this way. Oh, I don't know. Just a little bit. Just bring some of that blue down. Just looking at composition really now. Just going to take it to this corner. I don't know if you can see that. Just a little bit much paint on there. Cool. I like it like that, I think, because now we've got a few different ways it could be hung. Probably I've got two favourite ways, I think. I'm going to blow the bubbles out. There's just a little bit of blue I could add to the corner here. I don't think I'm going to touch that up too much because I have painted it. So yeah, I'm going to blow these bubbles out and I'll bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. And I can tell you when this dries, that iridescent white that you can only just see at the moment is going to really pop out. It's just little hints of it in next to the turquoise. So I'm looking forward to seeing this dry. But we've got some really pretty patterns. And I know the Arteza metallics are quite good as well. So, and then the blues don't have any metallics in it, so it's a good contrast. I will bring you back when this is dry. Okay, here is the dried result, and I'll just bring it off the wall so you can see the shimmer on the metallics and the iridescent white. I quite like it this way. It's got a nice kind of swooping effect, and there's lots of cells came up while it was drying. And they look like bubbles and things like that, which is really cool. I also made up some little pendants. Well, they will be pendants, but I had some left over, so I just poured it onto my paper and then dipped these into it, and they're quite pretty. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.